I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. زه خپل غاښونه برش کوم. I wash my face. I wash my face. زه خپل مخ مینځم. I take a shower. I take a shower. زه غسل کوم. I dry myself with a towel. I dry myself with a towel. زه ځان په تولیه وچوم. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. زه سهار وختي له خوبه پاسیږم. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. زه خپل الارم بندوم. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. زه له کټ څخه پاسیږم. I open the window. I open the window. زه کړکۍ خلاصوم. I make my bed. I make my bed. زه خپل کټ جوړوم. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. زه خپل ویښتان ږمنځ کوم. I get dressed. I get dressed. زه جامې اغوندم. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. زه بوټان اغوندم. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. زه یو ګیلاس اوبه څښم. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. زه ناشته کوم. I drink tea in the morning. I drink tea in the morning. زه سهار چای څښم. I check my phone. I check my phone. زه خپل موبایل ګورم. I read the news. I read the news. زه خبرونه لولم. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. زه له خپلې کورنۍ سره خبرې کوم. I leave home at 8 o'clock. I leave home at 8 o'clock. زه په 8 بجې له کوره وځم. I go to work every day. I go to work every day. زه هره ورځ کار ته ځم. I go to school every morning. I go to school every morning. زه هر سهار ښوونځي ته ځم. I walk to work. I walk to work. زه په پښو کار ته ځم. I take a bus to work. I take a bus to work. زه په بس کې کار ته ځم. I arrive at work on time. I arrive at work on time. زه پر وخت کار ته رسیږم. I start my work at 9. I start my work at 9. زه خپل کار په 9 بجو پیلوم. I work hard during the day. I work hard during the day. زه د ورځې سخت کار کوم. I take a short break. I take a short break. زه لږه دمه کوم. I drink tea during my break. I drink tea during my break. زه د دمې پر مهال چای څښم. I have lunch at noon. I have lunch at noon. زه غرمه ډوډۍ خورم. I talk with my coworkers. I talk with my coworkers. زه له خپلو همکارانو سره خبرې کوم. I finish my work in the afternoon. I finish my work in the afternoon. زه خپل کار له غرمې وروسته ختموم. I leave the office at 5. I leave the office at 5. زه په 5 بجو له دفتره وځم. I come back home. I come back home. زه بیرته کور ته راځم. I wash my hands and face. I wash my hands and face. زه خپل لاسونه او مخ مینځم. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. زه خپلې جامې بدلوم. I rest for a while. I rest for a while. زه لږه شیبه استراحت کوم. I help my family at home. I help my family at home. زه په کور کې له خپلې کورنۍ سره مرسته کوم. I clean my room. I clean my room. زه خپله کوټه پاکوم. I prepare dinner. I prepare dinner. زه د ماښام ډوډۍ تیاروم. I have dinner with my family. I have dinner with my family. زه له خپلې کورنۍ سره د ماښام ډوډۍ خورم. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. زه لوښي مینځم. I watch TV for a while. I watch TV for a while. زه لږ وخت تلویزیون ګورم. I use my phone in the evening. I use my phone in the evening. زه ماښام خپل موبایل کاروم. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. زه هره ورځ انګلیسي تمرین کوم. I learn new words. I learn new words. زه نوي لغاتونه زده کوم. I read an English book. I read an English book. زه د انګلیسي یو کتاب لولم. I listen to English lessons. I listen to English lessons. زه د انګلیسي درسونو ته غوږ نیسم. I do my homework. I do my homework. زه خپل کورنی کار کوم. I prepare for tomorrow. I prepare for tomorrow. زه د سبا لپاره تیاری کوم. I put my phone on the table. I put my phone on the table. زه خپل موبایل پر میز ږدم. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. زه څراغونه بندوم. I lock the door. I lock the door. زه دروازه قلف کوم. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. زه وختي بستر ته ځم. I lie down on my bed. I lie down on my bed. زه په خپل کټ کې سملاستم. I think about my day. I think about my day. زه د خپلې ورځې په اړه فکر کوم. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I set my alarm for tomorrow. زه د سبا لپاره خپل الارم تنظیموم. I say good night to my family. I say good night to my family. زه خپلې کورنۍ ته د شپې ښه شپه وایم. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. زه خپلې سترګې پټوم. I fall asleep quickly. I fall asleep quickly. زه ژر ویده کیږم. I sleep peacefully at night. I sleep peacefully at night. زه د شپې په آرامۍ ویده کیږم.